Let's create one more tutorial in Design Center. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve and Extrude. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create a center line with 200 millimeters of length. And we will create this profile here. We will put the dimensions later, okay? So let's create this in the front plane. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane, press OK. Select line. Click here at this point, make a line here. We made this profile. And here we use some constraints because this line here is equal this one. And this line here is equal this line here. And this line here is equal this line. So let's use the constraints here. So go to constraints, select equal, select this line and this one. Apply. And select this line and this one. Apply. Select this line and this one and apply. And now let's put the dimensions. This line here, the center line 200 millimeters. This line here has 60 millimeters because it is the radius of this diameter. And this line here has 20 millimeters. So let's create this and select this line. The distance here is 200 millimeters. Press yes. And this line here has 60 millimeters. And this line here has 20 millimeters. And this one has 100 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this one is 45 degrees. So this line here has 100 millimeters. And the angle between this line here and this one move the angle to this side. The angle here is 45 degrees. We made this one. And now finish the sketch. And here go to Revolve. And the axis, select this line here and press OK. You can hide the sketch one. We made this one, okay? And now we will create this cut in the top face. We have a hole here through all this body with 20 millimeters of diameter. So go to sketch and select this face here to create a sketch. Press OK. And select a circle. Click here in the midpoint. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. Go to Subtract. Go to Extrude. The profile, select this one. And the end here, select it through all. The start through all. The output is subtract and press OK. We made this cut here. You can hide the sketch 3. And now to finish this, we needed to create this square in the center of this body. And this square has 25 millimeters in its side, and the distance between the center of this square and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. It is in the center of this body. So go to sketch and select the front plane and go to rectangle and select the rectangle from center and click here, make a rectangle here. and the width here is 25. I just click here and make a rectangle. We'll put the dimensions later, no problem. We have here 25 millimeters by 25 millimeters. And here the distance between the center of this rectangle and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. And now finish the sketch, go to Extrude, and the start here, you need to select symmetric value, and the distance here we use 100 millimeters. And press OK. We made this cut here. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.